Now, if you want to compress your videos, you don't need to have large files. If you're a video editor, you should know that shooting videos comprises of a lot of things. Now, after shooting videos like 5 minutes video or let's say 30 minutes video, you can imagine having like 2 gig worth of file. I mean, who is going to download it? How are you going to upload it to platforms? So the best option for you is to do what? Downsize the file. And how do you do that? You do that using a compressor. For me, I recommend Panda. This is not because they are paying me to do that. I'm just recommending because this is exactly what I use. So if you can go ahead and download Panda, it compresses things and it also retains the quality. I mean the video quality. All right, so go ahead and download Panda and let me walk you through the step of compressing your videos. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I'll be bringing you more updates on how to do these things. All right, thanks so much. I remain your coach, Mark Anthony. Let's dive right into it. Let me show you the software I'm talking about, the app I'm talking about. So if you go ahead and use Panda, so you can compress this whole 100 MB, 100 and something MB into like 3 MB worth of video. So you don't need to have large files in your phone, Next now. Okay, so it's 60 MB, right? So if I click on it to compress and say compress now, all right, so this is going to, all right, it's compressing. So if you allow this to compress, it's going to be light on your phone so that you don't have big files. Always remember to do this. Remember, I selected just compress, so that it won't lose the quality. Because if you want to compress it further, you can compress it further, but it might actually lose quality. All right, so always make sure you choose on compress further so that you get a smaller stuff. So it's loading up. So it's done now. So as you can see, my 60 MB, look at the original file is 60 MB. Now the compressed file is like 5 MB. So make sure you try to compress your MB. It says 54 MB saved. You understand? So that's massive. So you go ahead and click on replace on the downside of it. So it clicks OK. Then automatically this has been replaced. You will no longer see the 60 MB photo file. You will now see the 5 MB. So this is exactly how to compress your videos. All right. So guys, please see you in our next class. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more useful tips. All right. I still remain your coach, Mark Anthony Madreke.